Good morning, everyone. This is Stan on the chart. Chief Stewart Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And today's weather risk of thunderstorms later in the day. It will be high temperature 18 degrees Celsius. It feels like 22. There'll be a light wind later this afternoon, and the wind is coming from the northwest at 8 kilometers per hour. Wind gusts should be 18 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity is 80%, and pressure is rising to high 1.7 kilopascals. And tonight, fog patches developing overnight with a low temperature 10 degrees Celsius, and it feels like 10. And now let's get a look on our 4-day weather forecast. Remind everyone to bring your umbrella. It's going to be wet this week. And then on Tuesday, we 40% chance of showers with a high is 21 degrees Celsius and the low 12 degrees Celsius. And then we're going into Wednesday is rain. High 18 degrees Celsius, low 11 degrees Celsius. Then on Thursday is fewer showers. High 18 degrees Celsius and below 10 degrees Celsius. And then on Friday is risk of thunderstorms. The high will be 21 degrees Celsius and low will be 11 degrees Celsius. Next is the almanac. It's 18.8 degrees. That was yesterday's high, and yesterday's low is 10 degrees Celsius. It was quite warm yesterday. The warmest temperature was in 1937 at 37.2 degrees Celsius. That was really hot that year. The coldest temperature was in 1946. At 3.3 degrees Celsius. That was really cold that year. And you can follow me at www.thisorangeweatherman.com. You can follow us on Facebook. You can download my Accurate Weather app and follow Weather on the Ground to keep your communities, your local 4-day weather forecast. And thank you for watching and have a great day. Yeah.